A big laundry overload. Thank you so much to all my senders. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Some charisma. I wish I had Roma. I need to go buy Roma. It does smell very, very floral. Hey, B. You have any lavender products? If she wants, yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, I'll get it. I'll send it to you. I'm gonna squeeze. This smells so good. My hand hurts. My finger hurts. Do you have soap flakes? Soap flakes? I don't think I do, love. I think I used them all already. I can buy more soon. If you sent for the lavender, tell me now before I get off, because I will be getting off. Oh my God. Ooh, that was my husband. My husband just sent me a message saying today sucks. He's probably not having a good day at work. I wonder what happened. I'm gonna call him when I get off. Do you have 5? Oh, Foca? No, not right now, my love. I don't have Foca. Someone asked what liquids you put in there. I put a lot of pink, floral scented liquids. I don't have Foca or Roma right now, love. But I do have that lavender powder for 5 and that lavender liquid for 5. Ooh. Today sucks. I wonder what happened. I need to call my husband when I get off. He never... Look at how pretty this is. Ooh, that's splashing. So what is everyone up to today? What are you guys doing today? I'm gonna be live on Friday, okay? Either Friday or Thursday. No, tomorrow's Thursday. Friday. I'll be live Friday. We are gonna be doing an overload. If you guys want to stop by and watch. So pretty. Thank you. Thank you. That's a blue color, so it's not gonna stay pink anymore. I forgot. Ooh, that smells so amazing. Let's see what you guys are saying. Crazy looks white on camera. Really? What about up close? Should be blue. The color is so pretty, yes.